Mayuresh Joshi is now joining in on the show. Mayuresh, the stock of the day undoubtedly is Urban Company. Those who got in the IPO got lucky, but for those now, who are still waiting to buy this company, what would the advice be?
Afternoon, Rima. So I think for those who are wanting to buy, obviously you have to wait for declines to come through on the stock. For those who are having it, I think it really depends on your risk reward. If you're probably looking at a very short-term window, partial booking makes sense. However, I think the comments that the management has probably put forth in terms of creating a full value ecosystem as homes are concerned, and probably homes being the driver going forward in the next few years, I think that's very positive. But I think it's going to take a long periodicity of time to probably ensure all the services that they probably got in mind get implemented amidst all the competition that might come through in the next few years. Obviously, their first element from a balance sheet perspective will be to probably ensure that EBITDA margins start propping up and profitability as far as bottom line is concerned. So in my own sense, I think anybody having the stock with a medium-term view can probably still ride the momentum. A short-term view probably have partial profit looking done. Fresh investments, wait for declines.
What's a good good entry point for Urban Company? I mean, what kind of a decline?
No, so I think it's too premature at this point of time. But again, I think our own sense is that let's wait for the first con call to probably happen. Let's see what their strategy is, what their vision is, and the numbers that they're putting through. And based on that, maybe even a 10% decline might be a feasible entry point, or maybe even larger. So it all depends in terms of what they probably give out in terms of their guidance.
All right. What about Belrise, Mayuresh? What's the view on that one? Belrise, the stock I think came with the IPO at around 100 rupees ballpark. In a few months, the stock is at around 155 rupees. I recall Jefferies, I think, was quite bullish on it. Investec has come out with a note as well. They as well are quite bullish. At around 160 rupees, what do you think? Bulk of the good news in the price?
Absolutely, Nigel. First of all, I think a belated birthday to you. I think I missed wishing.
Thanks a lot, Mayuresh. Thank you.
But yes, I think the valuations are a tad bit clearer as we speak. And therefore, I think it really depends on the numbers delivery that Belrise can probably give in this quarter, the guidance that they probably give us or the street as well. And on that belief, I think the stock might probably sustain its premium valuation. So in that regard, I think wait for declines to come.
Okay, that's Belrise in focus. Mayuresh, hi, good afternoon. Good to have you in. What about the listing of the day? Now, those who got into Urban Company, I'm not saying calling their services, I mean, the ones who've not gotten it, what else? When beyond this, should you go back and look at other platform companies? You still have the Swiggies and Zomatos of the world. But it's very clear that this is a very, very active space. How are you looking to play it?
Afternoon, Survi. No, absolutely. I think the tech companies, fintech companies is something that are going to do phenomenally well going forward. And I think a clutch of them will probably do well. So I think out of all the companies that you've probably got, I think valuations probably are sky high as we speak, based on the assumptions of blue sky horizons of projections that one is probably looking at. But as I said, for Urban or Swiggy or Zomato in my previous interactions as well, I think valuations are a tad bit too much in terms of how the stocks are priced at this juncture. And they're priced to perfection in terms of numbers delivery. I think 1 or 2 quarters in terms of a numbers miss and the de-rating can be pretty harsh in terms of where they are standing at this juncture. So optimistic in terms of the space, but I think valuation discomfort is something that is bothering us at this juncture.